Welcome the our channel. Today we how to delete old stories archive on Instagram, storage cleanup step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and log in to the correct account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open settings and activity. Tap archive to access your saved content. If you do not see archive, tap settings and activity, then search for archive in the search bar. At the top of the archive screen, make sure you are viewing Stories Archive. If it shows Posts Archive or Live Archive, tap the drop-down title and select Stories Archive. Scroll through the archived stories until you find the story you want to remove. Tap the story to open it in full screen. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the story. Tap Delete and confirm Delete again when the prompt appears. Go back to the archive grid and repeat the same delete action for other old stories. To delete faster, focus on the oldest dates first by scrolling down to earlier months and years. If your archive shows stories by date, tap the date section to open a group from that day. Open the first story in that day's group and delete it using the three-dot menu. Swipe to the next story and delete it if you also want it removed. Continue swiping and deleting until the entire day's set is cleared. Remember that deleting an archived story removes it permanently from your account. If you only want to hide it, do not delete it, because archive is already private to you. If you cannot delete, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play and try again. Check your internet connection because some actions may fail on weak networks. If the archive option is missing, make sure you are using the official Instagram app, not a web browser. To prevent future buildup, review your archive once a month and remove unnecessary stories. If you want stories to stop being saved, go to Settings and Activity, then Archiving and Downloading. Turn off Save Story to Archive if you do not want future stories stored automatically. Go back to your profile and recheck Archive to confirm the deleted stories are gone. If you deleted the wrong story, note that Instagram usually cannot restore permanently deleted archive items. Now you know exactly how to clean up your Instagram Stories archive and keep your account organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.